Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create stunning social media ads using Canva. With eye-catching ads, you can effectively promote your brand and attract more customers. Let's get started. First, head over to canva.com and log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free. Once you're logged in, click on the Create a Design button and select the appropriate ad size for the platform you're targeting. For example, select Facebook ad or Instagram post from the drop-down menu. Canva offers a variety of templates designed specifically for social media ads. Click on the Templates tab and browse through the options. Choose a template that matches the style and message you want to convey. For this tutorial, I'll select a clean and modern template. Remember, you can always customize it later. Customize your ad. Now, let's start customizing our ad. First, we'll change the background image. Click on the background and select Replace to upload your own image or choose one from Canva's extensive library of stock photos. Make sure your image is high quality and relevant to your ad's message. Next, let's edit the text. Double-click on the text boxes to enter your own information. Add your headline, promotional message, and any other details. You can change the font style, size, and color to match your branding. Don't forget to add your logo or any other branding elements. You can upload your logo by clicking on the Uploads tab and dragging your logo into the design. Position it where it looks best. A strong call to action, CTA, is essential for any ad. Add a button or text that encourages viewers to take action, like Shop Now, Learn More, or Sign Up. Make sure it's clear and stands out. Final touches and download your ad. For the final touches, make sure everything is aligned and visually appealing. Use Canva's alignment tools to help with this. Also, consider adding some subtle design elements like lines or shapes to make your ad stand out even more. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to download your ad. Click on the Share button at the top right corner, select PNG or JPG for the best quality, and hit the download button. And there you have it. A stunning social media ad designed in Canva. Now, you can use it to promote your brand and attract more customers. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.